Guys, it's the last week in what is historically the worst month in the stock market, and what a week it's been. We've got debt ceiling fears, we have government shutdown fears, we have Janet Yellen and Jerome Powell testifying in Congress this week saying, look, we need to do some stuff right now or it's going to be a crisis, and it's going to be a self-inflicted crisis, is something that Janet Yellen said. So it's been a mess this week. But despite all of that, there are still opportunities in the market. Despite the NASDAQ the other day having the worst single day since March of this year, I believe that there are still opportunities out there. So we're going to talk about two strong buy stocks, two stocks that have an over 80% upside over the next 12 months. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. We're going to talk about two strong buy stocks today because I think we need some good news. Man, what is going on with the market? We recovered a little bit today. The NASDAQ was still in the red today, but the Dow and the S&P were up a little bit. But it's been a tumultuous week, to say the least. The NASDAQ had the worst single day they had this week since March. So it's been a crazy, volatile week in the market. And September, we've been talking about it all month. September is historically the worst month of the year for the stock market. And the government right now is not helping matters at all. The House just passed a debt ceiling bill to raise the debt ceiling, but it's not going to go anywhere in the Senate, and they know that, unfortunately. And then Friday's the deadline for them to pass a stopgap measure so the government doesn't shut down. So this week has been a crazy, crazy week. So we'll see. I think it's likely that they'll pass some sort of stopgap measure so that the government will be funded through the end of the year, but they're unlikely to do anything with the debt ceiling this week because they have until October 18th to do that. But if they don't pass any sort of measure to raise the debt ceiling, the U.S. will default on their obligations for the first time in history. And that's something that Janet Yellen has said this week. And she said that would be a self-inflicted recession that we would end up having because of that. So I wanted to talk about two stocks that are both strong buys that have an over 80% upside over the next 12 months to give you some hope in the future for the stock market. So the first company we're going to talk about in this video is Vivint Smart Home. Ticker symbol there is VVNT. This is a tech company using the advent of digital technology and smart devices to deliver a range of home automation services. From security systems to lighting and climate control, the company offers a range of hardware products to actuate these services, including indoor and outdoor cameras, doorbell cameras, security lights and sirens, motion detectors, thermostats, and touchpads to control the systems. By the numbers, Vivint finished the second quarter of 2021 in line with expectations. Top line revenue hit $355.2 million, and customer retention rate was over 88%. Total subscribers are almost 1.8 million strong. The revenue number was actually up 17% year over year, and subscriber growth was up 7.2% year over year as well. The company finished the second half of 2021 with a lot of liquidity, almost $700 million, and that includes almost $350 million in cash. So they are in a good position right now, and the analysts really like Vivint going forward. If you take a peek at what the analysts have to say, again, this is a strong buy for ticker symbol VVNT, 4 ratings, 3 buys, 1 hold, with just over an 80% upside for this stock over the next 12 months. The low rating here is $14 and the high rating is $20 for this stock. So by the end of this video, like we always do, let me know which one of these stocks is your favorite, and I'll communicate with you down there in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. The second and last company we're going to talk about is Covetrus Incorporated. This is a medical and health tech company, but with a twist. Covetrus focuses on animal health and services and works to bring products, services, and technology to veterinary practices worldwide through a single platform that connects client vets with the solutions they need. Covetrus is based in Portland, Maine. They have over 100,000 business clients in 19 different countries globally, using the service to improve animal health and the delivery of veterinary medicine. This is a big company. They have over $1.1 billion in total revenue for the second quarter of 2021, which was actually up 16% from the second quarter of 2020. Over the same 12 months, the company's net loss moderated from $54 million down to $31 million, and that was an improvement of 42%. The company credited the strong quarter to an increase in patient vet visits. Nevertheless, the stock has been falling this year and is down 37% year to date, but that doesn't change the opinion of the analysts. This is still a strong buy stock with 5 analyst ratings, 4 buys, 1 hold, with an average upside of 82% for this stock. The low here is $29. That's still a really good upside. The high is $38. Again, let me know which one of these is your favorite in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Guys, do you really think that there's any worry in the government shutting down or the debt ceiling not getting raised? Please let me know if you feel that Congress is stubborn. I believe they are very stubborn, and it's just a big game that they play. It's a bunch of negotiating, and it's a bit frustrating to watch it affect the market over and over again. But September's wrapping up. I think there is hope coming forward over the next couple months for the end of the year. Let me know how you feel down in the comments. As always, thank you so much for joining. If you learned anything new or found any value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that subscribe button and that like button down below, and I'll see you in the next one.